How to make a brochure in Canva. If you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So let's go and head on to our Canva and go to Design Spotlight and make sure you are in Brochures. So make sure as well that you are logged in here with your account. And if you scroll down below, you will see some templates. And what we need to do is, if you want some customization, go to create a brochure and it will lead you here. So you can just customize it according to your liking. And let us try having these templates right here. So just click on a template. So I have this one, and what you need to do to add the other page is to add a new page and click on the template right here. So this brochure has two parts, where it is the back part and the front part. So if you want to change this, just click on the page and then click on the template, and then just replace the current page, so it will successfully replace it. So after that you have chosen your template, you can just type in or edit the text that are in here, and then what you need to do is just click on the text and type whatever you want. It depends on your title and the content that you want. And also you can have some elements right here. The elements, you can just click on it and you can drag and resize these elements, so it will add more design to your brochure. And then you can also add here many elements, multiple elements in one, and I will show you that you can resize it. And as you can see, there are photos here. What you can do is replace these photos by clicking on this photo and click or drag on that photo again, and you can also layer it. And then if you are satisfied with the design, you can click on the share button right here, and then you can change the format. So change the format to PDF and then just download. So you will download now your output. So if you have many questions, just click on the comments, and thank you for watching.